Welcome to Keto Meals and Recipes.com. If you love Keto Reese's peanut butter cups, and if you love white chocolate, you will love this very easy, absolutely delicious white chocolate peanut butter cups, which, by the way, as are all of my recipes, these tasty treats have no added sugar, are gluten-free, and of course, low-carb keto. Just as a heads up, for this recipe I'm going to use sugar-free white chocolate. Here are two different popular brands you can find on Amazon. Here's the Lily's brand. This one is sweetened with stevia. And if you want to use Lily's, I suggest for this particular recipe, you use their baking bars, which can be melted very easily. Also, here's the Choco Zero white chocolate, which is sweetened with monk fruit extract. Like Lily's, it comes in chips and in squares. I prefer the squares whenever I'm melting chocolate. The links for both of these white chocolate products, my peanut butter cup video, and the full ingredient list is posted in the description box below. So please go down there and check out all the links and all the information I've provided. And if you like this recipe on my channel, please share it with someone that you know might also enjoy these recipes. And if you like these white chocolate peanut butter cups, please also go right to the end and check out my end cards where I have specifically selected treats that you might also enjoy after watching this video. The macronutrient ratio for each white chocolate peanut butter cup is 2.8 to 1, with 6.6 grams of total carbs, 4.8 grams of dietary fiber, resulting in only 1.8 grams of net carbs per 25 gram or 0.9 ounce treaty cup. Now let's get started with the recipe. Here are all the ingredients I'm going to use. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch my video. I appreciate your support and comments very much. And until next time, have a great day. Cheers!